What's up everyone? It's December 11th, which means there's 14 days until Christmas. Are you ready? I'm not. Alright, so I have a couple orders to pack today. The two tops that we finished in the last two vlogs. I want to finish one more top today so we can pack up that order. And then I got an order this morning for the two blue scrunchies that we had left over, as well as a pink bandana. So we're gonna pack all those today for sure. So basically I think I just need to get started on the next top so that we can just get it done and then pack everything up. And that is a custom peekaboo top. We're gonna be making it with this rose pink color. Beauty, beauty. Okay, so I'm gonna go make that. I'm gonna drink water and try not to die. I think that while I'm making this, I'm gonna return to my roots and watch Say Yes to the Dress. I'm on season 6 right now. I don't know how many seasons there are though. I'll find out.
The mermaid dress, but dress number 1.
The mermaid dress. So I tried to watch Say Yes to the Dress. I watched one episode and then I was like, this is just not the vibe for today. I just can't pay attention to anything right now. So we are just listening to music and sitting and crocheting, and we're going quickly. So I've got my Hosier playlist on. Pause. For lunch today, I will be having the rest of my everyday Thai leftovers. Oh, the restaurant is called Everyday Thai. Thai food. Look at this plant. Like 2 days ago, this plant was dying. All of the leaves were completely down, flat, hanging around the sides of the planter, the pot. And I was like, oh my gosh, I killed my plant. But actually, this plant is just a giant drama queen. Drama queen. So all I did was give it water and set it in front of a window. And now look, it's plump. She's plump now. So I'm gonna give it, well, actually the soil is still moist, so I don't think she needs more water. But I moved it to my office because it's been sitting out here in my living room, which there's not much natural light, but I put it in my office right in front of my window on my little desky desk where I film all my tutorials. So I think she's happy now. Food! Ah! Neji got a free piece of broccoli. Delicious! See, she's so happy here. Surrounded by yarn. That's where I want to be. That was so good. Okay, now I'm gonna get back to work. I think I can finish this 45 minutes. It'll be done. It'll be done. All right, guys, it's done. I finished it. Look at her, all done and stuff. Nice, good job us, good job we. You guys helped, totally. Also, I got some mail. So we can open this one, but this one is actually a Tokyo treat box. I thought I got a one-time subscription last month, but apparently it renewed, so I have another box. And it's just like full of like Japanese treats. So we might open this and eat them later, but first let's open this one. Ah, yes, we have some. What is wrong with you?
You should have seen the way Terry was looking at me.
We have some Apple AirPods, and these are for my mom. That's all that was in the box. So now that my boy is here, I'm gonna go sit in my living room for a little bit. I want to take a break and I want to make a bandana just because it's really quick, honestly. So I found these yarns. They're like some nice like warm tones, and then this is just a cream. So I'm gonna make the bandana with this color, and then I'm gonna do the outline with this color. And I think that we're gonna watch Steins Gate. That's the plan. See you around.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. I bought this because I saw Emaru's sponsorship. It's Christmas stuff. Bite into Japan.
Oh, this looks so good. Snacktacular Christmas. You want me to read it?
Yeah.
There we go. First up. Oh! First one. Kit Kat strawberry chocolate cake.
That looks so good.
Holy shit.
Nice. Don't make those noises, please.
Yeah.
Cheers. Get away, get away, get away.
Oh, fuck. Oh. These are mine.
No.
That's good.
That's really good.
Okay, next up we have a Christmas donut.
Christmas donut? They got Santa Claus on there.
Okay, let's go and try it.
This is a donut?
Gotta share it. Sharing is caring. Is it good? Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good. Its uniquely sweet and earthy flavor comes from Okinawa brown sugar.
Ah. Yeah, brown sugar.
Next we have Christmas cake gummies.
They look like nibbles.
Strawberry marshmallow and a tart strawberry jelly.
Give me that.
The Kit Kats are mine, huh?
That's so good.
You just like marshmallows. You like pure sugar.
Whatever.
Next, Christmas Crunch Mix. Where are you, you dirty slut? Right here. It is a crunchy, salty, and white chocolate rice cracker. What happened?
He's trying to pop it.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Tastes like nothing.
Yeah. Well, it tastes like a wafer.
What do you call me?
What?
Okay. Oh! Do we have this in here? Premium Ghana chocolate caramel? Oh!
Hello?
Give it to me now. Velvety chocolate squares. Okay. Holy fuck.
This is fancy. Look at them all in there.
Oh my god.
You're gonna love this.
Oh,
Is it salted caramel?
just try it. Oh. Holy shit.
Oh yeah. It's really good.
You gotta cleanse your palate after that. Okay.
It's good.
Next, we have Christmas pizza corn snacks. Italian seasoning and cheesy goodness.
Pizza?
Pizza, pizza.
Oh. They're little cups.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Yeah, those are good.
That's real fucking good.
That's really good. Like Cheetos?
Next is pure potato truffle and rock salt.
Truffle and rock salt? These are...
Beefy?
They're a little beefy, I think.
It's got an interesting taste.
Yeah.
It kicks immediately, but then it mellows out into a normal chip. Potato chip. It's like an instant blast. Alright, next! This one's alright. Not the best
They're good.
compared to everything else.
They're pretty much just like...
They are edible for
They're
sure.
potato chips.
Cow piss soda.
What?
Calpis? Galpis. C-A-L-P-I-S. How would you say that?
I don't know.
Cow piss.
Calpis.
It's got a citrus smell to it. Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it is citrusy, but like I'm not a fan of citrus sodas, so.
Next, Snow Sugar Carrito. Light dough fried to crispy perfection. Okay, let's give it a go. It's like something you could snack on. It doesn't have like a high flavor, but like it still fills you up.
Is it supposed to be sweet?
Sweet and sesame flavor.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Next we have Snowball Marshmallow.
What is it?
Snowball Marshmallow. Snowball Marshmallow.
That's all it says?
I want you to try it first.
Oh yeah.
There's something in there.
I love the texture of this.
Eat it. Try the filling.
It just tastes like more marshmallow.
It's good. It's just a marshmallow.
Yeah. What is it though?
Bean paste.
Bean paste. Oh. Interesting. It's good.
Okay. Next is the ramen. But we're gonna have to try that later when she gets a little bit more hungry. But it's a spicy Kitakato ramen. It looks good.
Authentic spicy flavor made in Japan.
We'll try that later and then we'll put it in right here. No, actually we'll put it right here.
I don't think I'm gonna eat this tonight.
So right here is where we put it in. Cut to the clip now.
No.
Now.
Next.
To the clip of the ramen. The Don Yaki sauce.
Sauce?
It's a bite-sized puff cracker snack. Umami sauce flavor.
I love umami. It's good.
It's pretty good.
It's good.
In my head, when I think of snacks, when I want to go into the kitchen and snack, these are the type of products that I think.
Really?
Because it doesn't have like a very heavy flavor.
Also, because they're like puffs, it's not very like, it's not heavy.
Yeah. Next, sour cream potato crackers. This was a good box. This was a great box.
I think this was better than the last box.
But I mean, it's Christmas, so it's like much more sweeter.
Yeah.
You know?
Sour cream.
Right? Oh yeah.
It's sour cream and onion chips, but there's no onion.
Yeah.
It's sour cream toasted Ritz. They have the same texture. They kind of like melt towards the end. I don't know. It's weird. That was everything?
Other than.
Thanks for snacking with us.
This is where you put the ramen clip.
No. Here's the bandana that we finished. I'm not so sure about it. The color played out kind of weird, although it is kind of rainbow, so I think now we should pack up these orders, and then after that I'll just move on to the next item on our list. It is only 8:20 p.m. at the current moment, so we'll see what time it is after we finish this, and then like maybe we can make another top tonight, maybe. All right, now that that's done, we can make the next order on the list, which is gonna be a extra large lily top in the color Earth Ombre. Again, I am gonna guess that we will get a lot of this done tonight, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna finish it. So we'll see.
And I love that because there are parts of this movie that I didn't immediately understand.
All right, I just ran out of yarn with my first skein and it's pretty late, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop here, call it a night. But we got pretty far on this. It's good, it's good, it's good. Tomorrow my plan is to go to my grandma's house and we're gonna do some baking for Christmas. I'm not sure what we're gonna make. We usually do like some bread, some cookies, some candy, you know. Thanks for being here with me today. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and that's all I have to say. So bye.